In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make changes to name servers in Squarespace. Whether you're new to website management or a seasoned pro, this guide is designed to help you navigate the platform with ease. Let's get started, and by the end of this session, you'll be comfortable adjusting your name servers on Squarespace. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you're not already signed in, use your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you're on the right path to making those necessary changes. Now let's move on to the next step. Once you've logged in, look for the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the options you need to manage and configure your website settings. Clicking on Settings will open up a submenu with various options related to your site management. Next, navigate to Domains and Email. This is a crucial section as it is where you can manage everything concerning your domain names and associated email settings. Once you're in the Domains and Email section, click on Domains. This area lists the domains you have currently set up on your Squarespace account. Now find the domain you want to edit. This list will display any domains you have registered, and you'll want to select the one where you need to make changes. Click on the specific domain to open up its settings. This step is important as it zooms you into the designated area where you can start making those changes to the name servers. After that, you'll want to click on Domain Name Servers. Once you're in this section, look for the option that says Use Custom Name Servers. Check this radio button as it allows you to input your new name server values, which are critical for pointing your domain to the appropriate server. With the option selected, it's time to enter your custom name server values. You'll see fields provided for this information. Carefully input each name server address, ensuring there are no typos, as these details need to be precise for effective domain pointing. If you need to add multiple name servers, simply click the Add button for each new entry. This allows you to input all required name server addresses needed by your hosting provider. Finally, after entering all your custom name server values, make sure you save your changes. Click Save, and Squarespace will update your domain settings with the new name servers you've entered. This step confirms that your new changes are applied and your domain is now pointing to your desired server. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your name servers in Squarespace. Be sure to give the changes some time to propagate across the internet, which can usually take a few hours. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments.